Hello, my name is Andy Flounders. I'm a Senior Bakery Applications Specialist working for DuPont Nutrition Biosciences. Bakeries around the world are under enormous pressure at the moment to simply produce enough bread to meet the initial sudden rise in demand that the COVID-19 pandemic created. This places a heavy pressure on the production sites to produce good quality product every time throughout an entire production shift. Obviously, keeping the percentage production line efficiency figures high is always paramount in any bakery at any time. But there is a really heavy emphasis on this at the moment, and this inevitably places even more pressure to limit or reduce the amount of wastage that the line might create. There are, of course, many ways to keep the line efficiency percentages at a high level. The first of those might be, for example, reducing the amount of downtime in between a product changeover. A second might be consistently producing just one product line without any product changeovers. Or a third suggestion might be to introduce our new PowerBake 6000 and 7000 lipase and oxidative enzyme modules to assist in maintaining dough robustness and stability during processing. Our recently launched PowerBake 6000 and 7000 lipase and oxidative enzyme modules have been designed to offer what I call an in situ emulsification effect, which, correspondingly, provides the bread manufacturer with even higher dough stability. So this means that even if there is some kind of production line stoppage, dough that is already in the production line and in process can better withstand the delay and still enable the manufacturer to produce an acceptable, sellable product without the wastage. And at the same time as our PowerBake 6000, 7000 lipase and oxidative enzyme modules can help the manufacturer to reduce waste, this also then return net savings. And if we can show even a 1% reduction in daily wastage figures within the bakery, this could equate to perhaps a €2 million annual saving in a very large industrial bakery. DuPont has decades of ingredient knowledge and decades of applications know-how in baking, and from this background we can offer you a wide variety of solutions to assist in reducing wastage.